Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back for another great day for some lovely TA. In this short episode, I will be explaining what I'm going to be doing about this death cross and what I'm expecting. We'll also be talking about the Fear and Greed Index and what this could imply for all you bulls out there. And of course, we'll be talking about lovely TA on a daily and 4 hour time frame. And without any further ado, if you guys enjoy this content, please smash that subscribe button, smash the like button, help those algo numbers, and let's get right on into it. As you guys can see, 100% we did initiate the death cross here. Again, does not mean we go straight dumpage. Again, lagging indicator. But here's what I'm expecting to happen in case for you guys who weren't here yesterday. I'm expecting the price to eventually and gradually try to get above the $40,000 range. And I personally believe it will not succeed the first time it tries to, break this area because it is, again, a strong resistance. We have two moving averages here plus this historical resistance level. Not a high chance Bitcoin can break it on first time. I personally would be looking for a short to enter here. Obviously, I'm going to tell you what price because I don't want to tell you guys what to do, but that's what I'll be doing. And how this usually plays out is if we end up getting rejection, which is quite likely, we will see this, drop out, like roll over. And what area am I looking for? Well, I'm looking for this hypotenuse because again, I want to know if this could confirm as support, and if it does, again, the bulls, you guys will absolutely love this because that would imply that we can even get into the lower 50s or like high 40s, right? $40,000 range, a high $40,000 range. If and only if this can occur, we want to confirm this hypotenuse as support because again, let me show you. So many times it has acted as resistance, and flipping a resistance into support is giga bullish. All right, let's look at the Fear and Greed Index. Yesterday was a 38, and if you guys have been keeping track of this, this is the first time we've gotten anything above a 27 or 24. And let me just show you. Look at this chart here. If you guys can see it, this level has been a resistance. The 27, there's about 4 times or 5 times we reached it, and we immediately dropped out within a few days. Yesterday was the first time we actually broke above this, okay? Pay attention. It looks like a huge dip, and we're kind of like coming back up and making like a cup formation, okay? Let me do a comparison. This is almost comparable, right? 2020 in September, okay? It almost looks like this because this acts as resistance and it finally broke above here. Now, I'm not implying that we immediately go here, but this structure is interesting and let's go ahead and take a look at it. Remember, September of 2020, okay? It's probably, okay, it's after here. It's this drop here, okay? This lovely drop here, right? We were at, $12,000, right? And then immediately 2 days later, we pretty much just dumped down as low as $10,000. And yes, that did cause quite a bit of panic here. We went from, 83 really greedy down to 41. Obviously, it's not as hard as this one. This one's a 20, okay? And again, you see within this time frame how this played out. I mean, look how many days that they went sideways until they actually broke above where they dropped from, right? About 41 days, okay? And again, this is a shorter one. I don't think we'll actually get that, but I mean, look, just to compare on time, remember 49 days over here. Let's go over here and look at how long we took so far, right? Our drop. So let's measure it. This is our drop here, right? We're only at day 34. So if we go to 49 days, let's just expand this to 49 days. Whoops. Sorry, wrong one. 49 days, right? It won't even be until the end of this month that we can get, if we try to do anything like this recovery, it's going to be, towards the end of this month, right? Like 1st of July. Again, we need the crab market. The crab market is, and without a doubt, a great time to accumulate. Not again, not financial advice, but that was something interesting. I thought you guys should look at 38, and it kind of mimics. It might mimic something like this pattern. Again, this is the fear and greed index, and I don't know about like it just shooting up all the way up here back to greed. It'll do like a stepwise, like a ladder, and gradually get up there. Right? Remember the old adage is bulls take the stairs up and bears take the what? That's right, elevator down, or they just jump off the building, right? Bears just jump off, right? Bulls will slowly come up, right? Slowly come up. All right, so let's look at some TA on the daily time frame. Let me revert some of these changes here. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, let's go over here, get rid of this line. On the daily TA, as you can see, we did try to break above the 200 EMA, but for now, I would say it didn't do too well. And of course, we have about 2 hours and 42 minutes to try to break above this. can't get up there, so we'll see. But yesterday we did fail, and that's fine. First time, right? We'll give Bitcoin a benefit of doubt. However, you do want to note that we are still climbing on these moving averages, and these moving averages are every day slowly creeping back up towards this range. Okay, when you see the moving average underneath the price, that means it's going to gravitate towards the price. Same in the same way, if the moving averages are above the price, it'll gravitate down towards the price. So we're gonna have something very interesting coming up. Okay, so let's look at a 4 hour and see if it can tell us anything that we don't know. And my God, this 4 hour 200 EMA, this is a battleground right here. You can see Bitcoin testing it as support, testing it as support. Or let's just do like this. They broke it as resistance, broke it as support, redid it again, broke it as resistance, and just keeps going up and down and up and down. So this is definitely an area of interest. Of course, like a liquidity zone, right? If you're trying to sell, if you're trying to buy, something here, right? A lot of action going on here, which is giving us a good amount of thought to about what should be happening around the $42,000 level. That's what I'm saying. If it gets up here, I would probably enter a short myself. Again, I don't want to give anybody financial advice, but usually on a death cross, does not play out too well. The first time around, right? We have to get some more time invested. So we have like a time correction too, not only price correction. Okay, so if you look at our shorter term time frames like the white and the 21 4 hour EMAs, these are now breaking above the longer term ones. You can see the yellow's crossing the red, which is a good sign. The white has already crossed the red and it's trying for the purple, very good sign. And of course our 4 hour 55 EMA and 100 EMA, these guys are going to look to cross up here too. And yes, that would initiate a 4 hour golden cross. But, uh, that when it comes, it comes. I'll explain. Okay, Bulls would really love that part. But man, that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And again, I want to say if you guys enjoy this content and daily uploads, please help me out. Give your boy a like, smash that subscribe button, and without any further more rambling from me, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye, take care, and be safe out there. Peace.